What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Decent Garage. We are in Prospector Bob, heading out to do a little riding. But this ride should be a little different. The XR400, since I bought it, has had the same tires on it, and to my knowledge, and based on their condition, they very well could be the original tires to this 20-year-old bike. So I ordered new tires. I got some Shinko cheaters, the 525 on the rear, and I forget the number on the front. I'll put it on the screen right now, but they have 0 miles on them, so we're gonna give them a little test, see how they are. I've heard really good things about their ability to grip off-roading and their durability for the price. So let's hit the trail. I'll give you guys a little review on them, but I hope you guys enjoy. Wow, so first 100 feet, and yeah, you can tell this rear tire's new. It's going to take some getting used to. Actually feels kind of squirrely, but that's probably because of how pliable the rubber is and how big the knobs are on it being brand new. But yeah, it's going to take some getting used to, but we'll see. There's a stretch on this trail that's going to really tell if these cheater tires were worth it. Alright, first little creek crossing. Here we go! Woohoo! But with these tires, I'm expecting just to climb up it.
These both brand new.
Brand new, both, yeah.
Yeah.
Cheaters. That's what they call them.
Alright, so I believe we're coming up on the part of the trail. We're going to kind of cut to the left, and then we're going to climb all the way up this stuff over to the left. It's probably the most technical section of the trail. This will tell us how these tires are going to work for stuff like this. But hang on for the ride. Here we go. Take it nice and easy. This is not the stuff I like to go flying through. There we go. That is the worst part of the trail. technical, just the right amount. Here we go. Shinko to the rescue, right up that route.
Okay, Will, good luck and
Thank
be
you.
safe.
Yes, you too.
We have the hole shot. We're in the lead now. Get rid of the dust. This is pretty sweet. So final thoughts on the Shinko cheater tires. Overall, I'm really impressed with it. I still need to get used to it. I actually feel like they're just a little squirrely, but I think it's just because I'm not used to that. Funny enough, when we were out there, we ran into one person today out on the trails, and he was a very experienced rider. He stopped, we chatted for 20 minutes or so, but he saw that I had the cheater on mine and my cousin had it on his, and this guy had it on his bike as well, and he said he's tried every tire under the sun, and for single track riding it is the best bang for the buck tire. So he's tried other ones. There's other ones he likes better for certain things, but for Utah single track he said he just loves the cheater tire. So I really liked it. But anyways, we'll see. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of the tire? What is your favorite tire to run? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.